Welcome, today I am with VIVO X60 Pro and I will show you how you can add or remove widgets from or to your home screen. So at first we have to click on the screen when you want to add widgets, then click right here. Next we got list of all available widgets. So for example, I'm going to attach maybe this clock, this analog clock. So you have to click, hold, and then drag it for your screen. As you can see right now, when you click once on that widget, we are going to open application that is linked with that widget. When you click and hold it and release, we are able to resize our widget. Click outside to close these 4 dots. We can move that widget between screens. And if you want to remove that widget, you have to click, hold, and then drag right here. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.